So the reason why is because for those who have been aware, I've been working on getting my loan officer license. And obviously, if a client comes to me and has bad credit, I want them to get their dream house. So guess what? In that scenario, in that case, I am going to fix their credit so I can accomplish their dream of allowing them to become homeowners. So that is one of the exceptions to my rule, because obviously, like, I just can't. It's not in my blood. It's not in my nature. I just wouldn't physically be able to sleep at night if I'd be like, hey man, you have bad credit. Come back to me when you fix it. Like I physically could not do that. Like, I've thought about that and I'm like, should I do that? Should I do it? And I just realized, like, no. I told my wife, I was like, look, I would only take clients if we get a client who has bad credit and I can help them. And they understand the pros and cons, and they understand that, like, I'm willing to do this for free because they live in California and a bunch of other reasons. Number 2 is that I will be still doing credit repair, but I have switched over a different type of credit repair program where it's a coaching and done for you service. Now, I know you might be wondering, again, I'm not trying to pitch you. I don't want you guys to think that I want you. I'm just letting you guys know because I don't want people be like, oh, I thought you quit, and then you see me working on a client's file, or I'm actually using that client's file if they gave me permission on a video tutorial on my YouTube channel. So I hope that makes sense. So again, going back to that, I'm only going to be doing a one-to-one, like, coaching done for you service credit repair program, which is going to be a very, very high ticket. And I'm actually purposely pricing it like at, I don't know, anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 to $5,000, because the more people pay, the more they will actually take action. And in this case, because I'm going to be doing everything for them, like, it's going to be an amazing program that I know that they won't fail. Because I'm going to be completely honest with you, because this is something that a lot of people tend to have blinders, and they don't understand that when you hire a credit repair company, you hire them to just do the paperwork, and if the account gets deleted, it gets deleted. If it doesn't, it doesn't, and that's it. And in my company, I would always give my clients, I would take the time out of my day to do a one-to-one game plan. Like, hey, get this credit card. You need to build your credit for X amount of months, or for 12 months, 2 years. Like, again, every file varies. I would always be like, build your credit file. And guess what? People wouldn't do it. I don't know if because they just get overwhelmed, intimidated of actually going and making an application, talking to a customer service rep, or because they just feel like it's an unknown, charted world. They wouldn't do it. And guess what? Regardless of how great job that I did in deleting all the negative accounts, if they didn't build their credit score just stayed the same. Again, it takes two hands to clap. And if this hand is completely done and this hand hasn't done anything, this hand is never going to meet me, so we can actually complete the process. So now I realize that in order to avoid that and not to have, be after people like, hey, did you do this? Or hey, did you do this? And I'm like, I just can't do that. Like, I'm just one person and there's thousands of people who need my help. So I'm only doing that for people who are very interested in my one-to-one coaching done for you service, and it'll show me that they're actually serious. But I'm sorry, I don't want to make this video too long, but again, I just want to remind anybody who's watching this that I am quitting my credit repair business, except for the 2 exceptions that I mentioned earlier. So if you guys have any questions, please drop them down in the comments. What videos do you want me to make? What topic do you want me to talk about, teach you? I don't care if it's just one person. I'll make a video for that one person, because guess what? You're actually speaking up for the other 100 people that are too shy to ask that question. So I highly encourage you guys to drop whatever it is that you guys want to learn, because I'm going to be teaching you guys new tactics that work in 2022 and going to 2023. And if a tactic in 2022 does not work, guess what? I'm going to update it and give you guys 100% free, because I'm technically going to still be doing credit repair. So I'm still going to be familiar with the laws. I'm always going to be doing weekly updates on what's changed, what doesn't work, because again, I'm a credit nerd and that is actually my hobby. I like to learn because, I don't know, you just never know. It's something that I've been doing for 10 years, so it's not something that I can just quit and stop doing. So if you guys again have any questions, drop it down in the comments. Check out the links. If you guys want a copy of my free book, Mitch Credit Secrets, send me a message on Instagram, send me a DM. All you have to do is pay for shipping, and guess what? I'm not going to be charging you $15, $12, $10 for shipping. I'm going to charge you whatever it is for shipping, and you literally get the book for free. So that is it for now. Sorry if I made this video long. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe if you guys want to continue. If you guys want to learn more advanced tactics when it comes to credit repair.